Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to go over a super quick and easy tip, how to remove those annoying disk icons from your Mac desktop. So, you've got your internal hard drive and maybe some external drives cluttering up your screen? Let's get rid of them. First things first, head up to the top left corner and click on the Finder menu. Then click Settings or Preferences depending on your Mac OS version. Okay, you'll see a section that says Show these items on the desktop. Just untick all the boxes for the drives you want to disappear. Easy peasy. Now, you might still need to access those drives, right? We're not getting rid of them, just hiding them from the desktop. You can enable them in the Finder sidebar. Click on the Sidebar tab in the Finder settings. Look for the Location section and make sure hard drives and external disks are both ticked. Now when you open Finder, you'll see your Macintosh HD and any external drives listed in the sidebar. You can access all your files from there, no problem. One important thing, when you're ready to disconnect an external drive, always click the Eject button next to its name in the sidebar. This makes sure it's safely disconnected before you unplug it. And that's it. A nice clean desktop in just a few seconds. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Remember, this is based on my own experience. Your setup might be slightly different. Check the description for any helpful links. And don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks here on RoamTips.com. Thanks for watching.